Andarki, welcome back to our YouTube channel Rhythm and Routine, and welcome to yet another new vlog. ఈరోజు నా సండేలో అండ్ me and Abbai as usual we wanted to go out, and if you remember last time I made a vlog on Baro Market, and idina today there is an exhibition happening in Savaya Convention Center, which is in Gandhipet, right Abbai? Yes, Gandhipet. So it is basically Japanese cherry blossom. So Japan has come to Hyderabad apparently. So we thought of checking it out because I've never been to an exhibition which is Japan specific oriented, like, you know, centered around that region. So I thought let us go and check it out. And Sunday also weather chala baundi. I'll show you. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసాము and so rush we did not get valet, so we had to come to the basement to park.
Full rush only.
Let's see if we can get a lift.
भैया लिफ्ट कहाँ पे है? स्टेज से ये स्टेज फर्स्ट फ्लोर है ना, स्टेज पे चले जाएंगे.
The ticket for this particular exhibition is 600 each. That's quite steep, right? Let's see. Hope it's worth 600 each. Yes. I don't understand why they have saris, kurtis, where the name of the tagline for this exhibition is Japan coming to Hyderabad.
Exactly.
We don't get Banaras.
You're wearing your AirPods?
No.
Where no? मैं तो
No.
voice कैसा है?
That's okay.
Yeah, it is very boring.
Overpriced.
Too overpriced.
It's nowhere like Japan.
True.
Did we find anything till now which
Waste
has
of money.
that
It has
element
600
of Japan?
rupees. 600 rupees entry free per head.
Yeah.
Oh my god. సగం 99% అన్ని ఇండియన్ బ్రాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
Indian brands, Kadu. It's not just about Indian brands. Indian brands can also renovate and, you know, give a theme which would represent Japan, that their aesthetics, but nothing like that.
No,
Even the
it's
jewelry, it's like you'll get it anywhere. It's just like I feel like I've come to a mall, nothing else.
Waste of
But
money.
let's see, we'll explore more.
Waste of money. There's nothing to explore. I'm going home.
A waste of time and waste of money. Seriously, Japan.
Only thing is the washroom.
Only good thing is the washroom, but that also, it's, you know, it's not the credit for the exhibition. That's how the convention center has been built like. But oh my god, we paid 600 each, like 1200 for the entry, and it is completely
Waste of money.
not worth
Waste
it.
of money.
Really, it just looked like some fancy mall. Like,
Fancy mall भी नहीं ना.
fancy
It
mall
is
bhi
worst.
nahi, worst. Like,
I
no
don't think I have
aesthetic,
ever come to
nothing.
such pathetic exhibition till now.
Ayyo.
Oh my god.
So pathetic, the phone even fell.
And it is like
Seriously.
so expensive.
So expensive and not even
I
worth
saw
it,
one
honey.
dress, it was for 85,000. That
Waste.
looked like literally 1,000 rupees dress.
Yeah, and the fabric also looked so faded, as if it's like worn like 10-15
Seriously,
times.
oh my God.
10-15 बार किसी ने पहना है, उसके बाद सेल में लगाया है. वैसा ही था कपड़े का क्वालिटी और कपड़े का लुक. What a waste of time. And jewelry, oh my god, jewelry, it's like some
రోడ్
random.
సైడ్ మనము
Yeah.
క్లిప్పులు కొంటాం కదా కొన్నిసార్లు పిల్లలకి, ఆ క్లిప్పులు అక్కడ 2,000 రూపీస్ కొంది.
Seriously, yes.
రోడ్ సైడ్ 10-15 రూపీస్ క్లిప్ అక్కడ 2,000 రూపీస్ కొంది.
And they're just fooling people, you know, giving the tag like Japan comes to Hyderabad. Like what? Seriously? Don't fool people. And they know that nothing is going to, you know, kuch bikega nahi. That's why I think they have put a expensive entry fee for this stupid exhibition, which is 600 per person. Like for no reason. Half of the people are just going empty handed, as much as what I saw. Right? खाली हाथ ही जा रहे सब.
खाली हाथ क्या, लोग आ रहे हैं, देख
खा
रहे हैं.
They're eating only.
No,
That's
they
it.
came.
And that too, the food and the snacks are like all Indian. Seriously. They should have kept ramen. They should have kept like Japan delicacy. Something. Nothing. Oh my god, what a waste of time. Anyway, we just headed out. And हम लोग कभी भी इतना जल्दी कहीं से निकले नहीं, right? हाँ? आते ही निकल गए.
अच्छा किया, इतना घटिया जगह पे कौन रहेगा.
Seriously, oh my god. Yeah. Bad choice.
Bad choice, waste of money.
Bad choice, waste of money. Where we have come, Nana?
We have come to one nice cafe. ఒక మంచి క్యాఫేకి వచ్చాం.
कौन सा कैफे? पेरू? कैफे पेरू? कैफे पेरू ఏంటి?
క్యాఫే పేరు ఆరోమల్.
ఆరోమల్.
చాలా బాగుంటుంది.
చాలా బాగుంది, సీరియస్లీ. ఎలా ఉంది? మినీ బనానా బ్రెడ్.
ఐ లైక్ బనానా వాల్నట్.
సేమ్. సో ఇంటిలో వచ్చేసాము అండ్ యాజ్ యూ సా వీ వెంట్ టు ద క్యాఫే ఆఫ్టర్ ద టెరిబుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అట్ ద కన్వెన్షన్ సెంటర్ వేర్ ఇట్ వాజ్ నో జపాన్, నాట్ అట్ ఆల్. ఇట్ వాజ్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇండియా ఇన్ ఇండియా, నో జపాన్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. ఎనీవే ఇట్ వాజ్ అ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, పథెటిక్ వన్. అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద వీడియో. మన రిథమ్ అండ్ రొటీన్ ఛానల్కి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కన ఒక బెల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలా నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తాయి. బాబాయ్ అందరికీ.